Hello everyone. In this opportunity, I would like to present a research named Administration of Land Register in South Minahasa Regency. Before we dive in, let's find out the background of this research. Start with land registration. Land registration is a series of activities carried out by the government on an ongoing and regular basis, including the collection, processing, accounting, presentation, and maintenance of physical and juridical data in the form of map and list regarding plot of land and housing units, including the granting proof of rights to existing plot of land, rights and ownership right to housing unit and curtain rights which burden them. Public service are all activities carried out by public service providers in an effort to meet the needs of service recipients and the implementation of statutory provisions. Public service by the government apparatus still have many weaknesses. According to that, they cannot meet the quality that is expected by the community. This is due to the fact that there are still a variety of public complaints which cause an unfavorable image of the government apparatus performance that related to the service provided. The writer can take the problem of South Minahasa Regency because the apparatus performance in providing services to the community is seen to be not optimal in the arrangement of the land register. It could be seen from the performance of the village apparatus that has not been fully able to provide satisfaction for the community. In this research, we use qualitative method because the result of research data are more relevant to the interpretation of data that is found in the field. To determine the validity of the data in qualitative research, we must use several requirements in the examination. There are three criteria including credibility, dependability, and confirmability. The source of data that used in this study is by taking a purposive sampling technique by selecting informants who really know the problem to be examined. The sources of the data in this study are informant, social situation, and document. The research instrument that been used is the researcher themselves. They act as the main instrument that must actively go into the field by themselves. Now we are in the result and discussion of this paper. There are some factors that affect the performance of apparatus in Minahasa Regency. The first one is productivity. Some measured community land that is subject to administrative costs are different from other communities. As the informant experience, people paid for 500,000 rupiah per field, while others only paid for 300,000 rupiah. The second one is quality of service. The quality of service that occur in South Minahasa Regency, especially in the administration of land register, are not optimal, not in line with the expectation of both the apparatus and community, because there are some members in the field of land measurement who do not know how correctly about their main duties and function. Responsiveness. The service in South Minahasa Regency has not yet fully run well because from interview with the apparatus and the community, it was found that very rarely or even no socialization about the legal basis that is used in the implementation of land register. Responsibility. Based on the result of interviews, it can be concluded that the implementation of Government Regulation Number 24 of 1997 concerning land registration has not been realized properly. The last one is accountability. Cost standards that must be implemented in the field must be in accordance with the same cost standard as the government regulation that have been established. The Ministry of Standard sometimes went wrong. This matter must be held accountable from service providers as public officials. In conclusion, the service provided by the South Minahasa Regency apparatus seem unsatisfactory to the community. It terms the lack of socialization, the unfulfilled of the main task, the function of each village apparatus, and also the implementation of several regulation land register. And these factors make the service are inactive. So that's all about this research paper. Thank you.